Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today's video I got a really dope unboxing. I have a Secretlab chair that I copped, and this one is in partnership with Riot Games, League of Legends, yup. So this is for their new Secretlab Titan Evo 2022 series, their new line of chairs this year that I'm actually excited about. Obviously I have one. And this one is a Yasuo, not sure you pronounce it, Yasuo edition chair, and it is sick in every single way. And I'm gonna unbox it and I'll have a full review out a little later, but I hope you enjoy the video. So just getting started with the unboxing here, and you can see once you open up the inside of the box, they have some really interesting engineering info, all the things they did to test the chair and get it to be as good as it is. I watched some of the Instagram videos and it's pretty cool. You can scan the QR code right there to get some more info and see some of the good stuff, the secret sauce. Next, you can see they have a big Secretlab poster, which is actually instructions for putting the chair together, all color, and it's pretty high quality and large print, so you're not gonna have any issues here. And you also get your first look at the awesome back with the anime cloud. It is so sick. This is also pretty cool too. They include literally every accessory you need, every tool. It's really high quality stuff here. One thing that was weird, my casters, the wheels came kind of greased up. Not sure what happened here. I'm guessing it was some kind of factory mistake that someone made and put a little too much oil in the wheel. Not a big deal. I wiped it down and it was off. Still getting things unboxed. As you can see, there's a lot to unpack here, and you can just see a close-up shot of all the accessories and things that I was talking about here. So now we're just putting the backrest and the butt part together, the seat I guess. And this is definitely some team effort here, so I got my wife involved just to kind of hold things steady. You could probably do it by yourself, but you're gonna have a really hard time. I recommend getting someone to help. looks like a big old car seat right now, turning to the side. Alright, that's it. Nothing interesting here. Carry on. So we're almost done here. Just adding the seat base height adjustment tool. And that's one of the last steps before we actually get to sit in the chair. Also want to point out the armrest actually came attached. Box was more than big enough. So good job here, Secretlab, making my life a little bit easier. So like a fool, I would put one of the parts on backwards. Not a big deal. I was able to pull it out. You can see my wife trying here. I just threw it on the couch later and just yanked it out, flipped it over, put it back in, and problem solved. And now for the grand finale, you can see me attaching the magnetic headrest that just kind of floats in, no straps, so it can be put in sideways or crooked or twisted and all that cool fun stuff. And there you have it. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions at all about the chair, the design, anything at all that you'd like me to include in the full review. If you like the video, subscribe, get some more content. I got some tech videos and hopefully some more PS5 gamer videos coming out soon. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.